actually getting better at this thing called safety. We have gloves. We finally got a fire extinguisher. Okay, we gotta see if it works, or else we can return it right now. Actually, the sucker's white. What they say. We gotta buy like two.
Two?
Yeah, dude. That
we should have it in the car at all times, though. So.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too. Because it's, the way we're building this, I don't know if it's gonna catch on fire.
And then Tuesday the seat gets here, so we'll be able to do the rest of the frame.
Yeah, I just want to cut like all the other shit, like be able to clean it up too.
Yeah.
And pull it. Maybe we'll pull it in a little bit and see if we can get the other stuff from inside from the frame. So first it was the Ram that needed tires.
Yeah, now it's
this bad boy now.
Luckily these will be cheaper.
Yeah, we ain't trying to get Michelins, are we? I mean, it is what it is.
She hit me.
You're supposed to clean these. This is for your AC. Look at that. This is why sometimes your car smells bad.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, look. That's your AC, dude.
Spray with.
Look. Oh. This is your motor that turns it on. Oh. This is what blows air. Your AC, your cooler, your whatever the f you want to call it. No, this one I don't think we want to throw it out. I think it might be the computer for something. It's a computer, I know, but... Oh shit. Damn, I broke my phone! No, I was just kidding, it looked like that. Look at that.
Oh, hell.
I got tired of freaking putting it. So I was like, you gotta go, boy. You got to go. I'm getting pissed, bro.
He's the one that told me patience, too.
Patience is a virtue, dude.
Is that a turbo?
It's a freaking snail, bro. That's like less weight now.
Dude, wait. As if this car weighed anything.
Dude, we don't have AC now.
Now you can see it though, like.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, guys. I go to turn on the car. He says, he asked, is the clutch all the way in?
No way, you know, it's right here.
Well,
why would you let me cut things off without me?
You said. We'll figure it out later. Gas, 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 gas,
Okay.
gas. Why is it doing this now?
I ain't gonna lie, I did shit break. Woo! You're like, oh,
I was about to be like, this is going straight to the junkyard now.
No, it's going to work. Because I would throw it there. I wouldn't throw it to the junkyard.
Hey. Step on the Alcantara.
You're stupid.
Look at this.
Let's cut more shit off.
Shh. Alright, so next thing we got to take off is this center thing, and it's not wanting to come out, so.
No, because that one has to, we have to somewhat, I think we can bypass it where it just goes directly to it, but I don't think we're going to need an AC, bro. No, we don't need AC, dude. I mean, a heater, whatever. that's leaking right now? See that? Look at that. That's leaking pretty bad. All right, cool. So what you do, you get some clamps. And clamp that bad boy like that. Where's the leak? Nowhere.
You just drained it out.
It's coolant, so I mean, it's not like oil. If it would have been oil, I'd have
Open?
yeah.
This isn't good for the sea animals though.
No, yeah, it is. They don't touch it.
Or canceled.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. What is that shrink?
Dude.
Dude.
Bad vibes.
Bad vibes.
Oh. Alright boys, this is what it's looking like now. It's completely gutted.
Literally.
I think we're probably gonna put the battery there too. Just to save up space in the bay. But it's completely gutted now. Just the essentials. Watch it not start.
Do it again. Again. Let's connect this other one.
Alright, so Alex wants to take it for a spin. We've never taken it with two people, so we'll see how this works.
I'm gonna hold on to this. Go ahead, go ahead. What are you doing? Dude, there's glass flying in my eye. Oh. No, 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 no. I'll fly the fuck out. No, do it this way. You ain't gonna fly much. What the fuck?
It's, oh my. Yeah.
See you on to next videos.
Alright, this is the aftermath. My hand's all caged. Yeah, Alex, I think Alex got the worst of it.
It's fun.